Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing lessons 16, 17, and 18. Let us read Traffic Rules Around the World. Traffic rules are developed to facilitate the orderly and timely flow of traffic on the roads. There are many traffic rules like driving on the left or the right side of the road, depending upon the country or keeping an eye on traffic signals. There are also some weird driving laws in different countries. Write T for true statements and F for false ones. Singapore deploys a lot of technology to keep drivers safe during advanced warning lights that inform drivers about upcoming traffic lights. So before the color changes, what the next color will be, that is informed. So this is true. Okay, I write on here T. Next, Japan has a 0% blood alcohol level standard for drivers. Individuals caught driving under the influence of alcohol can face imprisonment up to 15 years. So, Japan is the only country which has this zero tolerance for people who drink and drive. So, it is also true. Third one, Norway's road safety norms is that having the headlights on while driving is mandatory regardless of the time or the visibility. Means during the day or during the night, all the time the headlights will be on. This is the standard, this is the required by law in Norway, and we had also implemented, but many people don't follow. Okay, so this will be also true. Fourth one, China requires male and female drivers to keep wearing their shirts while driving cars, buses, or tuk-tuk cabs. So this is not a law, okay? So it will be false. Fifth one, in Philippines, Manila, people can't drive one day a week depending upon their license numbers. That odd even rule, which is followed in Delhi because of pollution, that is followed. That was actually taken from Philippines, Manila. So this is true. Next, in India, running out of fuel is considered inappropriate. It is considered as driver's negligence, and the drivers are likely to face a very sizable charge for endangering themselves and others due to oversight. Okay, so this is false. Okay, there is no such rule. Next, it is now illegal to eat or drink anything while driving on the Mediterranean island of Cyprus. Yes, this is true. Okay, it is illegal to eat while driving or drink while driving. In France, all drivers in France are now required to carry an unused breath analyzer kit in their vehicle at all times. Apparently, this is to help prevent drunk driving while cutting down on government costs incurred during traffic stops. So, instead of the government providing those breath analyzer kit, the driver themselves have to keep one breath analyzer kit, and anytime the traffic police can ask them to get the test done. So that way, government is saving a lot of money on those kits. Okay. So this is true. Last one, anyone requiring vision correcting glasses in order to drive on the streets of Spain must keep a spare set in their car at all times, just in case one set ends up missing or lens falls out. So just to extra safeguard those who wear specs and then drive in Spain, they are required to keep an extra pair of glasses with them all the time in case it goes missing, lost, stolen, broken. This is also true. Okay, what do you have to do here? Germany is the only country without a general speed limit on its highways. In our highways, speed limit is mentioned 30 kilometers maximum speed, 45 kilometers maximum speed, 60 kilometers maximum speed. But in Germany, there is no such speed limit mentioned. People drive without any pre-mentioned speed limit. Activity, write any 5 traffic rules we obey while driving in India. So 5 traffic rules: we have to drive on the right side, then we must carry our driving license in original or in DigiLocker. We must have insurance of the vehicle. We must have pollution test done on the vehicle, and we must not overtake where there is no overtake, and we must not blow horn near hospitals, courts, and schools or colleges. And these are some of the rules which I'm telling. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. So here, deserts of the world. Let us read first. Deserts are the areas which are considered as non-productive areas as they receive very less or no rainfall. Due to lack of water, the land becomes unproductive and cannot be used for agriculture purposes. So many people try to avoid desert. Desert, you can't do farming, very less water, very less food. Okay. Deserts are present in all the continents of the world. They are sparsely populated as it is difficult to fulfill the needs of daily life in these areas. What is the meaning of sparsely? Sparsely means less populated. Okay. Less populated. Let's test your knowledge about deserts. Complete the given crossword. So here I'll not do the crossword. Okay. Or if you want, I can do, but it will be better if I do on the next page. Next page is more appropriate. I can write down the answers here only. Then it will be easier for you all. You all can do that cross. Okay. So let us start doing this across. Okay. See here across in Namibia, dash travel 50 miles a day to search for food. Okay. So who travels 50 miles per day? Actually, I also forgot. Elephants. Elephants. Okay. So I'm writing down here elephants. You all will write in that crossword, or here also you all can write down. Atacama in Chile is the driest desert in the world. Dash is the biggest cactus of all. Saguaro. Saguaro. A, okay. Saguaro. Saguaro is the biggest cactus of all. Camels can drink as much as 200 liters of water in a day in one visit to a water hole. And water hole, I'm writing it together. Don't leave a space. Okay, don't leave a space. Otherwise, that crossword will not go correct. Okay. The size of Sahara is as the size of United States. Okay. United States. Dash is the largest desert of all. So you all know Sahara is the largest desert of all. Dash lick their forearms to keep themselves cool. Kangaroos. Down. Dash is the desert in Arizona. So I forgot this also. Sonora. Sonora is the name of the desert. Sonora. Wild Bactrian camels are one of the rarest mammals on the planet. Dash is the hottest place. Dash is the hottest place on earth. Which is the hottest place on earth? Sahara. Death Valley. Sorry, not Sahara. Death Valley. Death Valley. Together you are right. Okay. Wind blows with 50 miles per hour in Siberia and bring snow to the Gobi Desert. The dust from Dash can reach 5,000 meters high. The dust from sandstorm. Dash never lands, so lizards have to jump for their food. So this is black fly. Black fly is a type of fly which does not stay down. All dash are not hot. All deserts. In Namibia, winds build the biggest sand dunes. Together you will write, okay? Saguaro stem can store up to 5 tons of water. So huge they are. Biggest cactus. Okay. Biggest cactus. See, they can store 5 tons of water. 5 tons means five water tanks. Okay. Five water tanks. Okay, let's move on to the next section. The next lesson, sorry. World cuisines. So food is an important factor. Okay. A cuisine is a specific method of cooking traditions which is associated with specific culture or region. It involves preparing food in a particular style and is named after the region or place where it originated. A cuisine is mainly influenced by the ingredients that are available locally or through trade. Example, Italy is famous for its pizzas and Belgium or Dutch is famous for fries. Encircle the name of the country to which the yum food belongs to. So here Tamils or Tamils, I don't know pronunciation. An ancient Mayan food of masa. Masa means dough made out of maize flour, maize, makai, cooked in leaf wrapping. Okay, we also have some foods, like posto ilis. We put in this banana leaf and all. Okay, so this is the food of Mexico. Next, somtam. What is somtam? Sour, extra spicy, sweet, and salty green papaya salad. This is found in Thailand. Next, spanakopita, spinach with feta cheese mixture and flaky pastry cover. This is found in Greece. So if you'll visit Greece, you all don't forget to eat this cuisine. Dosa, all of you know where dosa is found. Okay, so no need me to tell anything. What it is made up of. Okay, all of you had dosa. Jamon iberico, ham hock carved by clamping it down in a wooden stand. Okay, this is found in Spain. Yes, Spain. Next, churros, the world's best version of sweet fried dough. This is also found in Greece, I think, or Spain. Spain. This is also in Spain. Spanish people are very good food lovers. Okay. Next, tempura, seafood or vegetables battered and deep fried. Okay. So this is seafood, na? Seafood means Japan. Okay. So I'm checking once more. Yes, Japan. Next, dim sum. What is dim sum? Dim sum is small bite-sized portions of food served in small steamer baskets or on small plates, like momo. Okay, like momo. And this found where? This found in China. Okay. And then the last one, pizza, a traditional dish. No need to tell where pizza. What is pizza? Okay, pizza, not pizza. Pizza. Where it is found. And last one is still there. Okay, one more is there. 10th one. Why it doesn't go up? Make it small, then it will go up. There. Then make it big. Okay. So last one, cheeseburger, a hamburger topped with cheese. This is, I think, United States. Yes, United States. Okay, collect raw food materials from your kitchen and make your favorite dish. See, ask your parents if you can make a dish on your own. Swiss people are the biggest chocolate lovers in the world, and hence chocolate factories like Nestle and Lindt both have their headquarters in Switzerland. So today till here only. Next class we will start with this next lesson, that is lesson number 19, wetlands around the world. So see you all again next week. Thank you.